What is Power Protect? So Power Protect is medicine I made in my spiritual journey at a stage that my sensitivity to other energies was getting quite high, and I needed the support of plants and specific plant teachers to help teach my system how does it feel to keep my field. How does it feel to be in my own energy, to be free of others' projections of energy and of atmospheric bugs in the air? And how does it feel to go into a mall and be in a lot of other people's energy, but still being your own sovereign bubble? So Power Protect works on an energy level. It works by teaching your system how does it feel to be in your own protective space, to be clear of other energies. Just like you can't tell a person how to ride a bike. You can't tell them how does it feel until they've actually got the feeling. So the wonderful plant spirits and the energies that I work with in Power Protect is designed specifically to teach your system as soon as the medicine enters your body, although there's not enough active ingredients to really do anything, it carries the spirit of the different plants in Power Protect. And that offers your system the ability to, first of all, clear what is not mine and keep the protective bubble. Even myself at the moment, when the energies are really strong and I'm depleted for some other reason, I didn't sleep enough, and it feels to me like I need a little bit of extra assistance to keep my field where it doesn't take a lot of conscious energy of myself the whole time, I use Power Protect. This has been a lifesaver for me and for many others. And as you use it, the product and the plants teach your system how to keep your own field. And before you notice it, you are able to create this yourself. So I hope this really helps and serves other people on their journey also.